Welcome to 1161 Roberta Avenue in beautiful Glendale, California. I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour of this beautiful property here above Glen Oaks, close to Kenneth Village. Before I show you inside, stick around until the end of the video. I have some free resources for you to take away anxiety and stress from moving. But before I do that, come on in. I want to show you this beautiful property, 1161 Roberta Avenue in Glendale, California. This 3-unit property, possibly fourth, is listed at $1.899 million. And I'm going to be showing you the main house, which is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, completely remodeled property with beautiful laminate flooring, recessed lighting. We have 14-foot ceilings right here, beautiful Venetian plaster fireplace. We have some of the original windows that we kept in the property because it's such a beautiful property. We wanted to give it basically the era. We didn't want to change anything about it. We didn't want to modernize this home. But here we're walking into your dining space right here and a beautiful kitchen. It's a humongous kitchen, guys. We have a big oversized island right here, a breakfast bar where you can sit here and converse and have a very nice open floor plan with plenty of natural lights. I want to show you guys this fridge. It's a Thermador fridge, and check this out, guys. How cool is that? And it closes by itself. We have our Wi-Fi Thermador 6, I don't know what they call it, but anyways, it's a range. And we have all custom cabinetry here. We have black in the bottom and white on the top. These are all custom made cabinets. And we have our dishwasher, sink looking outdoors. We have our laundry space right here. Inside this closet, we have our laundry space. There you go. I'll be taking you guys on a tour now to the main bedrooms. Follow me. Hey guys, if you want to know what new properties are hitting the market in Glendale, California, Burbank, and San Fernando Valley, go ahead and subscribe below so you'll be the first to find out about all the beautiful homes that are coming onto the market. We have our beautiful guest bathroom for the 2 bedrooms. Again, everything has been customized, custom shower with beautiful tiles in the back, beautiful custom vanity right here. I mean, everything has been customized for this house. It's absolutely gorgeous. Custom doors. These doors are magnetic doors, so you don't need a key, it just latches on. Hallway closet, again, plenty of room. We have this beautiful bedroom. I didn't turn on the lights for this bedroom on purpose because I wanted you guys to see what a beautiful natural lighting it has. This is my favorite bedroom in the whole property. It offers charm, it offers beautiful lighting. We have our custom cabinetry right here, our custom closets, and that beautiful window right there. This is a smaller bedroom. Again, pretty nice size, a lot of natural lighting coming into this room. We'll go to the main bedroom, which is the primary bedroom. Again, beautiful size bedroom, custom cabinetry on both ends, beautiful natural lighting coming in, and our beautiful bathroom right here, our primary bathroom. Again, a shower, custom built shower. Never even opened this door. There you go, with a beautiful wave shower right here. Absolutely stunning. This property is a very unique property because it's 3 units, possibly 4th one. Now the back units have already been rented, so I'm going to take you guys to the junior ADU. We're walking into our living space right here, and I did some rendering here so you can imagine what it would look like if it was furnished, with the living area right here, TV on the other end, and dining area right here. Brand new kitchen with a convection oven, and this is the beautiful bathroom. I mean, who has a bathroom like this in the junior ADU? This house does. Beautiful big cabinetry, plenty of space if you want to have storage, beautiful flooring, beautiful shower, and also each unit has its own laundry hookups. They all have their split system AC system, and they all have tankless water heaters for energy efficiency. We're walking into the main room here. You could build either a sitting area over there or closet space. And this is what the rendering looks like. This is how you can place your bedroom. I'll show you guys a balcony because each of these units have their own private spaces. It's sitting on a lot size of a little bit under 8,300 square foot. It's a flat lot, and the zoning is very special for this property. It's a R2250, which means you could build 2 additional units right here on this property. That's the other unit that I was mentioning to you that's already rented. There's a bonus space behind the garage that is permitted, that's also rented. And we have this flat, beautiful backyard with paved flooring. And this is basically the balcony space for this particular unit. You have beautiful views of Burbank Hills and Glendale. Thank you guys for sticking around until the end of the video. As promised, I have some links for you below, some free resources. It's a step-by-step home buyer and a home seller guide that's going to walk you through every process of home buying and selling. And I guarantee you it's going to make your process very pleasant and stress-free. So go ahead and click on the links below to get your free guides, and also subscribe to my channel so every time there's a new property that we're previewing, we're going to go ahead and include you in that. You'll be the first to find out. Thanks for watching. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate. Make it a great day.